So many times I hear men saying women are not ready to settle down. They're looking for someone that is wealthy because they feel they have not gotten to that point. They don't have that money that woman is looking for, or they're not in that position, certain position. So that's why the woman left them. Or maybe they're dating this good girl or this good woman. They feel it's a good woman that is a wife material. All of a sudden she broke up with them, or she said she's no longer interested and she moved on. Men feels that women are after money. Yes, I'm not doubting it though. Yes, a lot of women are after financial stability, financial security. Will you blame them though? Looking at the economic situation of the country now, everybody wants financial security. Yes, even though I'm advocating for women working hard for their own money so as to gain their own respect, gaining their own economic power. That is money, having your own source of income. I'm advocating for that. I'm not advocating for women depending on a man for everything. And this joy you have when you have your own money, the freedom you have, economic freedom, economic power you have when you have your own. Yes, that is what I'm advocating for. So if you're a man that women keep dumping, or women keep telling you, walking away out of your life, saying they don't want to continue, especially when you say these women are wife material, they're good women, or they keep leaving you, maybe you need to look inward. Maybe there is something you are doing that is pushing them away. Aside financial security and money or whatever, maybe there is something. Have you asked yourself if there is something you are doing, or there's a character you're exhibiting, or you don't have attribute they're looking for in a man that you're not exhibiting, that is making them, that is pushing them away? So if you're one of those men that have been experiencing this heartbreak and all of that, you may want to sit back and watch the end of this video, because in this video I'm going to be sharing those attributes that women are looking for. Those things, attributes you should have as a man to attract a good woman. And not just attract a good woman, but to keep a good woman. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get into it. This attribute I'm talking about is not something that you should just pretend to have. It's not something that you should build or try to have temporarily. It should be something permanent. Not something that you should pretend to say, okay, let me pretend for some time and get it. No, because you're endangering yourself. Because if you have these good attributes, it's for your own good and for the good of your relationship and your marriage. If you eventually end a marriage, that is why you need to have this attribute. You need to ask yourself, you need to work on yourself and have this attribute permanently and not temporary, so that you have a good and perfect relationship and marriage in future. The first one is caring attitude. Are you caring as a man? These are the type of thing that attracts good women and keep them. When you are caring, women need care, someone that will give them attention and the care they need. It's not everything is all about money. You show concern, you show care through your action, through your words. If you have this caring attitude there, forget it. You attract a good woman and keep that woman. Another attribute you should have, try to have, being able to attract and keep a good woman, is sincerity and respect. You have to be sincere and respectful to be able to attract a good woman. Are you sincere? Do you respect this woman? Yes, men love respect. Women too do love respect. It's reciprocal. Are you someone that is not sincere? When you say A, later they'll find out that it's B. You're not sincere. You are corny. When you are corny, forget it. You cannot keep a good woman. You cannot attract a good woman. Once they find it, or they find the trace in you, forget it. It's the end. So when you want to attract a good woman and keep her a wife material, you need to be sincere. You need to be sincere. You need to respect her. Listen to her. Give her a listening ear. These are the attributes that a good women are looking for in a man. So another attribute that you should have is show her to your family members, not just friends. Your family, take her to your family. Let her know that yes, you are serious. Because good women are not out there for pleasure. They are out there for serious business. So you need to show them sign that yes, you are serious. At least introduce them to your family. Please take things serious, and you see yourself keeping a good woman. Good women, they don't have time for unnecessary relationship, casual relationship, sexual relationship. They want serious something. So when they see that you're not serious, they will just leave you. So that might be the reason why you don't keep good women, or good women are not attracted to you. So another thing you should look into is dress well and smell nice. Do you smell nice? Do you dress well? Good women love men that dress decently and dress well. So you may want to look into it. Dress well and smell nicely, and you see yourself attracting and keeping a good woman. Another thing you should look into is you should be a man that have a voice, not a mommy's boy, not someone turning you around, twisting you around. You stand like a man. You take decisions and you stand by it. So when you have such attributes, you see yourself attracting and keeping good women and a wife material. Another thing you should consider looking into is you have to be prayerful and disciplined. To be able to keep a good woman, you need to be prayerful and disciplined. It's not all about it's the woman's duty to pray. A man is the head of the family, not just only to physical aspect, but the spiritual. You need to be in charge, prayerful, and the woman will follow you and back you up, and be disciplined. Not when you say anything is scared, you are following. You're not disciplined. Even how to keep your money, you just waste it anyhow. You're not coordinated. Good women love men that are disciplined and prayerful. So that is one of the things you need to look into. Another thing you should look into is are you real and hardworking? Because good women love good men that are real and hardworking. When you are real, you do it yourself. You're just yourself. You're not faking life. You're just yourself. You're hardworking. Believe me, you will keep and attract a good woman. So guys, before I continue, before I give the next point, please, if you have not hit the subscribe button, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon and also give the video a thumbs up. So the next thing you should consider, we should look into is good women love men with emotional intelligence. Men that understand other people's feelings. Emotional intelligence is simply understanding other people's feelings. You're not self-centered, you're not selfish, you don't only look at yourself. You're not a narcissist. Good women love men like that are not narcissists, men that are not proud, men that are not self-centered, men that don't look down on them. That is what good women want. Men that have emotional intelligence, that understand other people's emotions and feelings. So believe me, when you have all of this, you put into all of this and work on yourself and trying to have this kind of attributes, you will see yourself attracting a good woman. Not only attracting a good woman, you have a beautiful relationship and marriage. So guys, if this is your first time or seeing my face, my name is Clara. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also drop your comments down the comment section. Let's discuss down there. And also turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post any new video. I believe with all of these points I've mentioned, you'll be able to attract and also keep a good woman. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye for now.